YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something new and we're building me a new PC. I've been rocking an old AMD build for around 5 years now and I'm either playing games on low settings or not at all. So it's time for an upgrade. First things first, I'd like to say a big thank you to Trust for sending over a case and some of their RGB fans, and also Ballistics for hooking us up with some of their DDR4 RAM. Links to those guys and everything else in this build will be linked in the description below. Those other items being the Ryzen 5 2600 CPU sitting on the MSI X370 motherboard and cooled by the RTX2070. As for the GPU, we have gone for the overclocked Palette RTX2070 and we will be water cooling that with the Kraken G12 bracket and the Corsair H55. We finished things off with 16GB of DDR4 RAM, a 480GB SSD, a few coloured fans and a PSU big enough to power everything. I think that's about it, so let's start building. So that took a lot longer than we thought because me and Joe went and got pizzas and Steph put on some of his favourite shark videos on YouTube. However, we did finish the build and this is what it looks like. We are very pleased with how the build looks and performs, especially the temperatures for the CPU and GPU, and I don't think I've really seen either hit much more than 60 degrees during games. We've been playing some of the Anthem beta that's just been live, plus Battlefield 5 with and without ray tracing, and we've also done a couple of benchmarks. We will insert those clips for you now. That is a wrap on our first PC build on the channel. Let us know in the comments below if you've enjoyed the video and whether or not you'd like us to do some more builds like this, or if you'd like us to overclock this build and see how far we can push it. Just before I finish off the video, I'd like to say a big thank you again to Trust for sending over the case and a couple of their fans, and also Ballistics for the RAM. If you enjoyed the video, then hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all our latest tech and gaming videos. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.